Welcome to Corporals Corner. Today we announced the winner and runner-up of the 150K subscriber giveaway, so stay tuned. Alright, for those of you that don't know, on December 13th, 2018, I put up a video titled 150K subscriber giveaway, and that was done in response to my channel reaching 100,000 subscribers and ultimately receiving the Silver Play Button Award. Now the rules were simple. First, be a subscriber. Second, go to my video titled Overnight at the Secret Pond, post 150K subscriber giveaway, followed by a comment about that video. The first place winner receives a free basic class at the Pathfinder School in Ohio. And the runner-up receives a Dirty by Design Grizzly knife and sheath from the Pathfinder Knife Shop. So today's the day I'm going to announce the winners. But first, let's talk about a quick channel update. On my main YouTube page, there's a community tab. Think of this as YouTube's form of social media, but most importantly, it's yet again another way that you can interact with me and my channel. Now I'm going to be on there several times a week, posting questions, pictures, or simply asking questions about how we can improve our channel. Now, if you don't know about this community tab, first thing you got to do is subscribe to my channel. Second, ring that notification bell. This way, you're not going to miss a community posting or video ever again. Without further delay, let's go ahead and choose our winners. I've taken all the comments, I'm going to place them into a random comment picker. First place, I'm going to give you the choice of the free class at the Pathfinder School in Ohio or the knife. Runner-up, you get what's ever left over. So here we go. Good luck. And there we go. Too easy. Michael Warnock, your first place. I'm going to give you the choice of the knife or the free class. Jeremy C., you get the leftovers. Now both of you, contact me on one of my social media sites. So I can arrange the free class and the knife delivery. In addition to contacting me, I want to see some type of photo ID so I can guarantee that it's you. If you choose to use a driver's license, you can go ahead and blur the numbers out, but for the knife delivery, obviously I need an address or a P.O. box. No, stupid box. Work on this later. Now 2019 is going to be crazy, but I want to set a goal. I would love to have 300,000 subscribers by the end of the year, but I need your help. Please continue sharing my videos everywhere and with everyone. Hit the like and subscribe button, ring that notification bell, And as always, thank you for your comments, views, and support. Thanks for watching. Get out in the field, have some fun. I'm going to catch you next time.